Hey there! Have you ever wondered how laundromat owners and investors decide if a location is worth buying or building? It all starts with demographics and a number we get from demographic analysis called available sales volume, or ASV. The most common factors in a demographic analysis are total population, total number of households, renter population, and a breakdown of households based on annual income. These numbers help us understand who lives in an area and whether they are likely laundromat customers. But not every market works the same way. What makes sense in New York might not apply to suburban Texas. Industry experts all have insights on how to interpret data, but that's way more in depth than what we can cover here. So here's what we can cover. We use raw demographic data in a formula that makes sense for our location, and we come up with available sales volume, or ASV. We will cover how to get the right formula in a future video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Think of ASV as a whole pie. It tells us how much potential business exists in the market. It does not tell us how much we get. It is also important to look at competition because, well, they want a piece of the pie too. So, ASV is not a prediction of success, it's a reality check. It helps answer the question, is there enough potential business in this area to justify buying or opening a laundromat? Laundromats generate a lot of numbers. Utility bills, vend revenue, customer counts, tracking it all can feel overwhelming. With so many numbers to keep up with, it can be hard to know where to start. Let's look at 3 metrics that a laundromat owner should ideally be able to rattle off from memory. Start by adding your monthly water, gas, and electric costs. Then divide by your total revenue for the same period. That gives you utility cost as a percentage of income. If that number's higher than 25%, you either have a pricing problem, an efficiency problem, or both. If this is you, it might be time to talk to your distributor. ASAP. Next, compare your dryer revenue to your washer revenue. Dryers don't usually make as much as washers on a dollar-for-dollar basis, but the ratio of dry to wash revenue should be consistent. If it changes a lot, it could be an early warning sign that something is off. ROI stands for return on investment. In laundromats, that usually means return on your cash investment. So for example, if you build a $1 million store and you finance $600,000 through a bank or lender, you should calculate ROI using just the $400,000 cash you put in the project. That's the money you risked, so that's what your return should be based on. These 3 numbers can give you a fast gut check on store performance. But what about you? Are there other metrics you always keep top of mind? Drop them in the comments or shoot us an email. We would love to hear what works for you. Pricing washers doesn't need to be complicated, but it should involve some thought and maybe even a touch of algebra. Here are some things to consider. Focus on 3 main areas: water consumption, your business goals, and your competition. Laundromats sell utilities. Your pricing should reflect how much water each washer uses. Set prices based on your business model. Don't undervalue your washers, especially larger, high-demand machines. And know what competitors charge, but don't follow blindly. Consistency in pricing across capacities matters. Use a simple algebra formula, y equals mx plus b, as a guide. Y is vend price, x is machine size, m is price per pound, and b is base price. We will dive deeper into this in a future video. Know what competitors charge, but don't follow blindly. Being the highest priced store can mean providing the best experience. And if you can't remember when you had your last price increase, it's past due.